Hello everyone, this is Tupush, that is Ranjani's mama. This is my first introduction with you all in front of camera. Actually, here I am today to share with you all about a scientific innovation which is built by one of my colleague of Tripura University, Assistant Professor Sri Harjeet Nath, Department of Chemical and Polymer Engineering, has built a contactless dispensive system. Actually, this device has been built taking into consideration the recent COVID pandemic. If this device is installed in front of the gate of any offices or any other department of academic institutions, so everyone, that is the students and the other staffs, can get help because they need not to use their hands, rather they can only make use of their feet to get the soap solution and wash their hands. Not only this device can for a certain limit, this device can reuse the wastewater which is used for washing their hands. So I am so excited about this device, so I thought to share about this device to you all and make this video to all of you. And so let's get started. Let's see how he demonstrated about his device.
So we have a contactless system, as you can see here. Here you have got a stand by which you can dispense your soap or your hand sanitizer by simply pressing the pedal. You have a very simple clip here which works as a spring. You would have seen this clip in your offices, or maybe you might have this in your home. And once you press it, it gives some tension here, it gets stressed, and when it gets stressed you get the soap coming out from this dispenser, and then because of the spring action it goes back to its position, so that you can again keep on pressing, and as long as you keep on pressing it and losing it, it works to take the soap solution out. So after that, what I have done is I've made a electrically operated system by which if you could press the button, you have the water coming out of the system. So you don't have to touch anything. You don't have to touch the taps, or you don't have to touch the sanitizing system. So the system gets the clean water for cleaning from this tank, and from this tank you get the clean water, and after you cleaning your hands, the dirt and solution goes and gets stored in this system. And from this system you could see that a lot of water along with the surfactant goes out to the environment. What I have done is I tried to recover some of the water out of this wastewater, so that we could recirculate it back to the system, and so that we could save water. So once you have the water here, you just have to you could see that it is coming from this sink to this device, and you have this pipe. From this pipe it gets connected to this pump, and from this pump you have a couple of water treatment facilities. We have pressure gauges by which you could see that what is the operating pressure, and we have optimized it in such a way that the water plant works very safely. And then what happens is that the water gets treated in setup 1 and 2, and from 1 and 2 the wastewater goes out as a reject, and the clean water comes to the UV system, so that if any microorganisms present gets treated here. Basically when you have a very good membrane based systems, there are very less chances that membranes will work very good. So as I was saying, that if you have a very good membrane based system, there are more chances that the microorganisms will not be coming up. Anyway, when you have the soap solution here, the microorganisms gets ruptured, and anyway they are already in its killed and ruptured form here. But even though if some microorganisms are still alive, it goes and gets treated here, and then you get the very clean water coming out, and it gets stored here. So if you use around 100 liters of water here for cleaning your hands, around 20 liters of water, or more than 20 to 25 liters of water will come and get stored here. In this way you will save a lot of water. Let me show you some parameters how does the water looks like. You could say this is our gray water. You could see the surfactant based water, it's more dirty, and then this is the treated one. You could see it is very clean. So we have some data regarding to the TDS and NTU. This solution was having a TDS of around 63 ppm, and it was having a TDS, the clarity index or the turbidity of around 5 NTU, and when you have cleaned the water, it is having a TDS of around 25 ppm, and the turbidity is around 0.85 NTU, which is very clean. Generally WHO says if your water is having a NTU of 1 to 5, then it is good, but because it is around 0.85 NTU, it's very much pure. So you would be staying assured that you get the clean water here, and then that clean water will be used again for cleaning your hands. So you save a lot of water by using this entire technology. This is entirely contactless. Right now we don't have any direct connection for this system. In future I'm planning it to make it more, you have a sensor here. When it reaches some height, the pump starts operating so that the water gets recovered, and after reaching some height, then the entire system gets stopped, and this way this entire system will keep on working. And that's the entire setup. It costed me around 5,000 rupees. I spent around 4 to 5 days in building that, and all these are being made using all the household items. I hope you could also make such devices and make it implemented in houses as well as offices. Thank you for listening.
So this is all about this video. If you want to contact with Sri Harjeet Nath, I will put his link on my description box. If you like this video, so please give a thumbs up and do subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon, and share this video as much as you can, so that everyone get to know about this device. And thanks for watching.